Dr. Huebner, Natural Transplants. I'm just taking a moment away from the clinic to say it's an honor to be featured in Best of Fort Lauderdale Magazine. This is a coveted prize that everyone here votes on. It's truly voted on, not just some publication that decides randomly who gets it. This is voted on by our peers, by the community here in Fort Lauderdale and South Florida. I was featured, as well as our clinic, as one of the top hair surgeons in South Florida. So I just wanted to thank everybody who voted for us, and it's quite an honor. I believe this affirms our patient first, single out one patient, get them as much hair as possible. Our customer service, we truly care about our results, we care about our reputation, and we do things the right way. If you'd like any information about us, please give us a call, 844-327-4247, or visit us on naturaltransplants.com. Thank you everyone for voting for us. Best of Fort Lauderdale. We hope to continue this award for the future.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.